नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आज आपण स्टँडर्ड 8 मॅथमॅटिक्स लेसन 7 व्हेरिएशन त्यामध्ये आपण याच्या आधी लेसन फर्स्ट, सेकंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ, फिफ्थ, सिक्स पर्यंतची सगळी एक्झाम्पल सॉल्व करून दिलेली आहेत. तुम्ही प्लेलिस्टमध्ये जाऊन स्टँडर्ड 8 निवडा. तुम्हाला बाकीची उदाहरणं एक्झाम्पल्स यू कॅन सी. Now we are going to solve practice set 7.2 example 3. Before this we have solved example first and second. Now see the example 3. The boxes are to be filled with apples in a heap. If 24 apples are put in a box, then 27 boxes are needed. If 36 apples are filled in a box, how many boxes will be needed? ॲपल आहेत 24 भरले तर 27 बॉक्सेस लागतात आणि जर 36 भरले तर किती बॉक्सेस लागेल? टू क्वांटिटीज आर देअर, ॲपल्स अँड बॉक्सेस. तर यामध्ये लेट ॲपल बी एक्स, याला आपण ए म्हणू, and boxes B are in inverse variation. You have to know which व्हेरिएशन इज हिअर. जर तुम्ही ॲपल जास्त भरले एका बॉक्समध्ये तर कमी बॉक्स लागतील, जर कमी भरले तर जास्त बॉक्स लागतील. व्हेरी सिम्पल. सो दिस इज द एक्झाम्पल ऑफ इनवर्स व्हेरिएशन. देअरफॉर ए इज इनवर्सली प्रपोर्शनल टू बॉक्स. देअरफॉर ए इज इक्वल टू के into 1 upon b, where b is constant, k is constant. Is it clear now? Or you can write therefore a into b is equal to k. Put a is equal to apples. How many? 24 boxes, 27. A is equal to 24, then b is equal to 27. 24 into 27 is equal to k. Therefore equation of variation ह्याला सॉल्व करू नका तुम्ही. You can save your time. Therefore AB is equal to 24 into 27. Equation of variation. AB is equal to K. Now last example. If 36 apples are filled in a box, how many boxes will be needed? If A is equal to 36, then find B. 36 into B is equal to 24 into 27. Therefore B is equal to 24 into 27. This will go in the denominator, 36. Now you can divide 12 2s are 12 3s are is equal to 2 into 27 upon 3. 3 9s are, therefore is equal to 18. Question: if 36 apples are filled, if 36 apples are filled in a box, 18 boxes are needed. Will be needed. This is the example third. Now we are going to solve example fourth. Very simple. You have to write directly the answer. See here, same exercise 7.2 example 4. Write the following statements using symbols of variation. Two examples are there. I have written the example already here. The wavelength of a sound, L, symbol for that, and its frequency, F, are in inverse variation. Inverse variation, one step answer is here. L is inversely proportional to F. We have to use symbol. L is inversely proportional to F. It means wavelength is wavelength of a sound. ध्वनीची तरंग लांबी याला म्हणतात आणि वारंवारता फ्रीक्वेन्सी. नाउ सेकंड क्वेश्चन, द इंटेंसिटी I of a light, symbol use the intensity for I, varies inversely with the square of the distance d. Intensity, that is I, varies inversely, it means 1 upon square of distance, it means d square. Very simple. Now after that we are going to solve. Two examples are left. आपण खूप स्लो मध्ये गेलो तर आपल्याला खूप वेळ लागेल. एक्झाम्पल 5 घेतोय आपण. प्रॅक्टिस सेट 7.2 example 5. X is inversely proportional to root y, and when x is equal to 40 then y is equal to 16. If x is equal to how many? 10, find y. Solution. X is inversely proportional to under root y. A given है. Therefore x is equal to, we write, remove this symbol, k into 1 upon under root y, where k is constant of variation. Constant of variation you can write down further. Therefore x into root y is equal to k. This is the equation of variation. Now put the value given. Put x is equal to 40 and y is equal to 16. Two values are given to us in the beginning. When x is equal to 40 then y is equal to 16. X is equal to, below that, x is equal to 40 into y under root 16 is equal to k. Therefore 40 into under root of 16, 16 is a square root 4, is equal to k. Therefore k is equal to 4 4s are 16, 1 0. Therefore equation of variation वरती लिहिले आपण x into root y is equal to k means 160. If x is equal to 10 then y is equal to what? हा क्वेश्चन होता आपल्याला. x is equal to 10 पुट केलं, 10 into root y is equal to 160. Therefore under root y is equal to 160 divided by 10 is equal to 16. Squaring both sides, अंडर रूट स्क्वेअर केलं स्क्वेअर रूट निघून जाईल. y इज इक्वल टू स्क्वेअर ऑफ 16 that is 256. This is the answer we have to find out. Now last example from this exercise, that is example 6. Same example is here. X varies inversely as y. First sentence tells us about the variation. Second, informations are given to us too. With help of that we can find out k. X is equal to 15, then y is equal to 10. Last statement, third, that is sentence, we have to find out if x is equal to 20, then find y. Solution. X varies inversely as y. It means x varies inversely as y. This is given, not necessary to write, but you can write. लिहू शकता तुम्ही असं. Therefore x is equal to, हा सिम्बॉल जेव्हा तुम्ही व्हेरिएशनचा काढणार तेव्हा इज इक्वल टू k येणार इंटू 1 अपॉन y, where k is constant. Constant of variation. Therefore x into y, it means xy, you can write is equal to k. Put given values. X is equal to 15 and y is equal to 10. X is equal to 15, y is equal to 10. It means x into y means 15 into 10. 15 into 10 is equal to k. Therefore k is equal to 15 tens are 150. Then put this value in the above equation. Equation of variation. X y is equal to k, it means 150. Now third question, if x is equal to 20, then find y. Put here x is equal to 20 into y is equal to then 150. So y is equal to, this 20 will be go in the denominator, 0 will be cancelled. Half of the 15, 7 rupees 50 paise, like that. Is it clear now? Try to solve each and every example. Practice makes man perfect. So solve the given examples again and again. यानंतर आपण पुढचा एक्सरसाइज करणार आहे 7.3. पण याच्या आधी यांची प्रॅक्टिस दररोज करा. लॉकडाऊन असला तरी घराच्या बाहेर जाऊ नका, सुरक्षित राहा. आपले व्हिडिओ तुम्ही केव्हाही बघू शकता, कधीही बघू शकता. ऑनलाईन येण्याची गरज नाही. तुम्हाला इवन गाईड पण उघडण्याची गरज पडणार नाही. मी सगळे एक्झाम्पल तुम्हाला सॉल्व करून दिलेले आहेत. बेस्ट ऑफ लक.